Welcome back. The High Court has come down heavily on those hotels at Kolwa who have not installed the sewage treatment plant and releasing their waste into Kolwa Creek. High Court said either install sewage treatment plant immediately or shut down the business. The court has also asked the PWD to file its findings if Madgaon sewage line can be linked with these hotels.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Tuesday came down heavily on those hotels who have not installed the sewage treatment plant and are releasing their waste into Kolwa Creek. The High Court said, either install sewage treatment plant immediately or shut down the business. Goa Pollution Control Board has identified 27 hotels and restaurants who released their waste into the creek. Some of the hotels have installed a sewage treatment plant, but some haven't. The petitioner in this matter pointed out that even waste released by the sewage treatment plants is polluting the creek. Agreeing with the petitioner, Advocate General informed the court that government is exploring the possibility to link these hotels with Madgaon City sewage line. Then the court directed PWD to file its finding by next Tuesday on feasibility of linking Madgaon sewage line to the hotels in Kolwa. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Mining affected constituencies received highest number of Griha Aadhar sanction letters. Sangye Taluka received 1,291 sanction letters. MLA Subhash Fardesai said the sanction letters were distributed equally to all the religions. Women and Child Development Minister Dilip Parwekar said that the mining affected people were given priority.
The department has received more than 28,000 applications, out of which 7,703 applications are being sanctioned. Out of these, highest number of sanction letters were distributed in Sangye and Sawadde constituency.
सगळ्याकून चड जी आसा मंजुरी पत्रां 1200 ही ह्या मतदारसंघांतल्यान आनी ह्या तालुक्या वयरसून आमी दिल्या. सादारणशी 28,000 अर्ज आमच्या खात्यान आयज पर्यंत जमा जाल्ले आसा. तातूंतले 12,000 आमी मंजूर केल्ले आसा आनी पयल्या शॉटाक 7,700 जे मंजुरी पत्रां आमी वितरण करता तातूंतली 1,200 आयज आमी हांगा सगळ्यांक सुबेज गोंयान केल्ली आसा. आमी मायनिंग इफेक्टेड जो बेल्ट आसा ह्या इफेक्टेड बेल्टा वयल्यान ह्या लोकांक पयली दिवचे म्हणून आमचो मनोदय आसा आनी त्या खातीर 1,200 आपल्या कुडचड्या, केप्यां, सांगे, सावर्डे, आपले बिचोले, वाळपय, सत्तरी ह्या सायडींतल्यान आमी मॅक्झिमम दिवची अशें म्हणून सरकारान विचार करून चडांतली चड ह्या भागांतल्यान आमी दीत आसा.
Here is the list. Bardez 566, Bicholi 1,183, Tiswadi 359, Ponda 870, Salset 818, Sangye 1,291, Kepe 1,110, Mormugaon 247, Penne 357, Sattari 378, Kankona 524. However, Subhash Fardesai said that the sanction letters of Griha Aadhar were distributed equally to all the religions.
क्रिस्तावाच्या या मतदारसंघातल्या प्रेपोजिशन तुम्ही पळयात साधारणतः 25% आज वेगळ्या मतदारसंघातल्या 1,120 हातून जाल्ले आसात तातूंतले 235 अर्ज आसात ते म्हणजे क्रिस्ताव वाटा भगिनीचे आसात. ज्या प्रमाणात 25% लोकसंख्या क्रिस्तावाची आसा, क्रिस्ताव भयणीची आसा, त्याच प्रमाणात 25% अर्ज त्यांच्या निकालान गेल्ले आसात. मुस्लिम आमचे भयणी आसले तांचे अर्ज आमी केल्ले आसात. खंय तुमचे वायट हे जाल्ले आसा.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
The tussle among the Morji tourist taxi operators and Russian tourist taxi operator continues. Morji tourist operators are agitated as Russians have taken over their business of tourist taxi. On Tuesday, they handed over one Russian to police for allegedly carrying illegal taxi business in Morji.
The incident took place on Tuesday. Tussle among the Russians and Morji tourist taxi operator continued. Local taxi operators complained that even after a number of complaints to the local authorities, Russians still continue their business illegally.
पंचायतीन एनओसी कट केला म्हणटा कट केला गाडी येता कशें हांगा इनोवा हॉटेलान कशें येता ते रेपाक धरला आमी एका गायड म्हणून धरला प्रायवेट गायड ताका गाडी कडेन लायसन ना काय ना बेज ना काय ना आतां पुलिशेन धरून दिले आमी आतां कितें जाता ते बेगीन एक्शन घेयना जाल्यार आमी गाडी फायदन आडयतले आमी गाडी सगळे पातांक येवन रावतले रस्त्यार सगळे.
Taxi operators handed over one of the Russian taxi operators to the Pedne police. They have also threatened of severe agitation if their problem is not solved. Our reporter from Pedne, Vinod Methar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.